Yo, did you hear the news? Gold is going crazy in 2025. Like, boom, everywhere. And it's not just rich people talking about it. Your neighbor, your cousin, even that weird guy from school, they're all buying gold. Well, why? Because the world feels like it's on fire. Wars, inflation, banks acting shady. People are scared. And when people are scared, they want one thing: safety. And guess what? Gold equals financial safety. It's like the superhero of money. But hold up. What if you're just a regular teen or college kid? Can you actually invest in gold from your room? The answer: yes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that without being a billionaire, without leaving your house, and without getting scammed. So buckle up because this is going to be wild. But real quick, do you think gold is the best investment in 2025? Drop your answer in the comments below. Okay, so why is gold even trending right now? It's not some random TikTok challenge. It's because the economy's freaking people out. Inflation is eating up your money like Pac-Man. Banks? They're collapsing left and right. And currencies? Crashing harder than your Wi-Fi during a Zoom test. People don't trust the system anymore, so they're running to gold like it's the last pizza slice on Earth. And gold's been a safe haven for like thousands of years. Literally, ancient pharaohs used it. Pirates buried it. Even central banks today are hoarding it like dragons. It doesn't rust, it doesn't vanish, and when the world gets crazy, gold gets expensive. So yeah, it's not hype. It's survival. Have you ever thought about buying gold? Be honest. Comment gold rush if you're thinking about it. Here's the big question. Can you, a normal person, buy gold without going full pirate mode? The answer? Heck yes. You don't need a treasure map. You don't even need a suit or a briefcase, just your phone. There are tons of ways to buy gold right from your couch. You can order physical gold from trusted websites like JM Bullion or Gold Silver. Or you can go digital with gold ETFs like GLD or even apps that let you invest with just $10. No pickaxes, no banks, just taps. It's like playing Clash of Clans, but with real money. So next time you're watching YouTube in bed, think, what if I owned gold instead of just gold skins in games? Would you rather hold real gold or a virtual one? Let me know below. Alright, so gold comes in two forms: physical and digital. Physical gold is like bars, coins, necklaces, stuff you can touch and flex with. Digital gold is like ETFs, online gold wallets, or even crypto-backed gold. So what's the difference? Physical gold feels real. You can hide it under your bed or show off like a boss. But it's harder to sell. It takes space, and if you lose it, ouch. Digital gold? Super easy to buy, sell, and store. But if the app goes down or your password's gone, bye-bye bling. So it's kind of like having a gaming console versus playing on the cloud. Both work. Depends on your style. Would you feel safer holding real gold, or are you all digital? Tell me in the comments. Team touch or team tap? English script, 150 words. Okay, here's the myth. You need thousands of dollars to invest in gold. Wrong. You can literally start with the price of a burger combo. Some apps let you buy gold with just $5 or $10. It's like micro investing, but golden. Think about it. Instead of spending $20 on that random delivery order, you could own a slice of gold. And if you do that every week, you're stacking gold like a boss. Plus, there are gold savings plans that help you grow it over time. It's all about being consistent, not rich. So don't wait until you're 30 with back pain and regrets. Start now. If you had $50 right now, would you buy gold or buy pizza? Type pizza or gold in the comments. And so now you're probably thinking, is gold the best investment? Well, let's be real. Gold isn't the magic solution to everything, but it's definitely one of the safest bets right now. In fact, gold tends to do well when the stock market is in chaos. So if you've got some extra cash lying around, gold might be a better choice than throwing it into volatile stocks. But if you're looking for crazy short-term gains, gold's not your party animal. Gold is more like the reliable friend who always shows up to the party. Just not the life of it. It's steady, it's safe, and it holds its value. Would you trust gold over risky stocks? Comment below. Gold versus risky stocks. Now, don't get it twisted. Gold isn't totally, risk-free. Like anything, it's got some downsides. First off, gold doesn't give you dividends like stocks or real estate. Like, it doesn't grow your money unless the price goes up. And remember, if you're buying physical gold, you're also paying for storage. It's not like you can just throw it in your wallet. It's a long-term game, not a get-rich-quick strategy. And let's be real, gold prices can crash too. That's why you've got to be patient and smart. Now think of it like a slow burner, not a microwave. Are you in for the long haul or just here for a quick win? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so you got some gold. What now? Storing it is the next challenge. If you got physical gold, you don't want to just hide it under your mattress. Trust me, your dog will find it, and he's going to think it's a chew toy. You've got to find a safe place, like a home safe or a bank vault. But if you don't want to deal with all that, digital gold is a solid option. It's stored online, safe, and accessible 24/7. No worries about burglars or mischievous pets. And the best part? You can trade it from your couch. So would you rather have a safe at home or trust an app to store your gold? Let me know below. So what happens when the economy crashes again? Well, if you've been paying attention, you'll know gold usually skyrockets during times of economic chaos. Why? Because people want to protect their wealth. And gold has been the go-to for centuries. During the 2008 crash, gold went up like 25%. That means if you had bought gold then, you'd have made serious profits. And right now, with global tensions rising and inflation going nuts, gold could be the ultimate shield. But don't just take my word for it. History speaks for itself. If you're sitting there wondering if gold will help during the next crash, the answer is a solid yes. Are you ready for a financial crash? Or do you need some more security? Drop your thoughts below. Gold isn't just a one-and-done type of investment. It's actually a key player in a diversified portfolio. Think of it like your team's MVP, but the rest of the squad is also essential. You wouldn't want to put all your money into just gold, right? Mix it up. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and yes, gold. A diversified portfolio protects you from losing everything if one of your investments takes a nosedive. Gold helps balance out the risk. It's like having a safety net while jumping off a cliff. No big deal if you fall. Would you diversify or just go all in on gold? Let me know in the comments. So when's the best time to buy gold? Well, honestly, it's when the price dips. But don't stress about finding the exact perfect moment. If you start buying gold regularly, you're averaging out the price. That's called dollar cost averaging, and it works wonders. Instead of trying to time the market, you just invest a little at a time. That way, you're not freaked out by market crashes or hype. And if gold's down 1 month, great, you buy more. The secret to winning with gold is consistency, not timing. So what do you think? Would you buy gold now or wait for a dip? Drop your thoughts below. Alright, now that you bought your gold, how do you sell it? Selling gold isn't as complicated as it seems. If you've got physical gold, you can go to a local dealer or sell it online. But if you've got digital gold, selling it is even easier. Just log into your app, click sell, and boom, you've got cash. The trick is to watch the market. Don't sell when gold's at a low, and wait for it to go up. Think of it like flipping real estate. You want to sell when prices peak, but no rush. Gold's a long-term game. Would you sell your gold now or wait for more? Let me know in the comments. Now here's the million-dollar question. Should you invest in gold? Well, the truth is, it depends. If you're looking for something super stable, gold's your guy. If you're a risk taker who wants big returns fast, maybe gold's a little too chill for you. But for most of us, gold's a solid investment that can help protect your wealth. And if the economy crashes, well, you'll be ready. Gold isn't just for the super rich. It's for anyone who wants to be financially smart. So what do you think? Is gold your next big move? Drop a yes if you're thinking about investing, or no if you're not convinced yet. So here's the final takeaway. Gold is one of the best ways to protect your wealth right now. It's safe, it's stable, and it's been around forever. So if you're serious about securing your future, it's time to start buying. Remember, you don't need to be a millionaire to invest in gold. Just start small. And hey, don't forget to like this video, comment below on your thoughts about gold, and subscribe for more money tips. Now go out there and start your gold journey. Peace out. Alright, that's all for today's golden adventure. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you want more tips on smart investments or you want to learn about new ways to make money, hit that bell icon. And remember, gold isn't just for the rich. It's for everyone who wants to build a secure future. So go ahead, take control of your financial destiny, Until next time, stay gold and keep shining.